Power target trades, power trigger trade. Alright people, I want to show you a wonderful story of great massive profits and the power of big picture thinking and big picture trading. Unlike stock scalper, little baby scalpers, they can't do these things. They have no vision. You need big picture skills. Okay, so let's get to it here. So on July the 5th, let's take a look at the outcome. You're going to get to see, this is called double whammy. This is a unique video. Double whammy in Google L. Let's click on this first plan, July the 5th here, so we understand, for those who didn't see it. So let's look at this here. So if you look at it, we talked about getting in the July, see here, the July 20, 1,150 calls could be used, okay? And that Google L set up the test 1,160 to 1,200, okay? Well, we went above 1,200 today, right? Let me just move this. So basically, if you look at the options at the day of this day here, right? This is based on the July. This is the July the 3rd close, okay? This was posted probably in the weekend here. But that was the closing day. So I posted this probably in the weekend, which whatever, July the 5th is when I posted it, okay? And so you could see that the options, if you look down over here when I move this away, you see the options cost $970. Now that's not what we paid. We had to pay a lot more on confirmation, okay? Because the confirmation was at $1,134.50, okay? So now let me close this out here, okay? Amazon, just amazing gains, and that's another story, anyways. Ruko, everything I talked about, Netflix, huge gains, okay? So here it is, July the 5th. Google L confirming with the July 20th, 1,150 calls at $1,450, okay? So basically, they went 400% because you're going to see in the video, they're $6,000 a piece, okay? Day traders, scalpers, penny stock traders wish they could do these things. They only dream. You understand me, people? They only dream they have these kind of skills as yours truly, Power Trigger Trade. I am the big picture expert. I decimate everybody out there in big picture skills. All right now. Because they don't do that, right? They can't do that. Where do you see option trades like this, okay? But that's where it went. That's the power, okay? Now let me show you the new plan I posted too that we went in. It's called double whammy, this video, right? Let me show you what I mean. All right, people. So here, June 11th, July 11th, okay? Google L, very strong here, is another plan to get into. This is what I'm watching, okay, that I'm watching. All right, so let's click into this plan, okay? Everybody inside my group knows this, okay? Google L looks good to test. Now, this was based on basically 10:08 a.m., July the 11th, okay? See that? That's the time, everything. This is when Google L was at 1,174.50, okay? And I'm doing this as the market's open, making the plans, posting the plans, and then we're waiting for confirmation, okay? This is unheard of in this industry, okay? So look at the options, okay? They cost, you can see there, they cost $1,200 and, well, you got to go by the price, well, say $1,240, okay? So I said we need to wait for after 10. Now this didn't confirm that. It took a little while. We want to Google takes out 1,177, or if I see a better number, now this is not. Let me explain you what happened here. This is not. We pay, and you'll see that now. We obviously had to pay more than this, but let me show you what happened. Okay, so we're going to close this up here. So basically, we didn't enter right away because Google L was above, and then it pulled back. Okay, but what I told people was what is Google L telling us about the market and also Netflix and Amazon? That it is super bullish. I am the big picture. I am the super big picture expert. So I told my members. Okay. So here's another update. Google update plan. Okay, because we still didn't up with things. July the 11th. Okay. So this is after the thing. So let's click into this. Okay. I'm going to show you the story here. So Google L looks good to test and higher, right? The July. Okay. So look at this. Okay. Google, a break over 1,100. Okay, so what happened was that Google took a little longer to confirm. End of story be told. I'm going to show you the confirmation here, but because that was another entry. I actually had another entry of 1,000, and I'll show you that post here. But lo and behold, it didn't matter which one you took. It cost about $1,600. So those options that you saw for 1,200, by the time this confirmed properly, it cost us 1,600, and you're going to see why that didn't matter, right? Again, you have to understand big picture thinking. You have to have the skills, okay? So if a person didn't get in on July the 11th, we were able to get back in here on July the 12th. So Google L confirmed with the July the 12th. Google with the July 20th 1,180 calls at 1,600 again. This happened twice because you could have got, let's say what happened is Google, it went to fill, it pulled back, and then on July the 12th we took off. Okay, so let's go take a look. Stopped out, made some losses in Tesla, but super gains in Google L, and great gains in, see, Apple. We confirmed in Apple, now people see it, but you know, we're making a little bit of money in gains in Apple, but confirmed at $550 an option though. Anyways, let's get to the let's go to the video now where I show you, explain you the option. You see for yourself the gains in the options. Okay, this is for the July the 13th. All right, people, got a special review here. For the July 13th, as you can see, the July 18 1,150 calls greater than 400% gains. Okay, that's for my July the 5th plan. Okay, on the July 20 150 calls, they are up 400% gains. I want you to understand why big picture thinking is superior to little penny stock trading and you know, little scalper minded thinkers like the stock clown, stock bookie. All right, people, so I demonstrate this over and over again, unlike anything else ever done before in the history of the market. Nobody's done this, people. Now look at this. Our 1,180 calls right now, okay, they are greater than 100% gains. So we not only made if you have 400% gains on the runners of the July. If you didn't hold those, if you did take profits, and let's say you got 100%, if you jumped into the 1,180 calls, which is what I did as well, that's another 100% gains. Okay, that's a doubling of your money. You understand? $1,600 calls at the time when we entered now went to $3,200, over $3,200, right? $3,300 and going higher right now. This is right now at 10:54 a.m. Okay, the options have got to these levels even higher. Okay, they've gone as high as 34. This is 10:34 a.m. You can see this is the time here on my charts here, and Google L is high. Has hit 1,000 to it, so the options are actually higher than what you see here. You can see right now the 1,500 calls, 1,150 calls, $6,100 an option. Okay, you follow, people. Greater than 400% gains. These penny stock traders only wish they have the power of the big picture expert. They only wish they can do this stuff. You understand, people? I am the big picture expert, demonstrating for you to see the power. Again, look at the 1,108 calls that we just got in, $3,400. See, I'm just and higher. And this is where Google L is in this 1,210 area. Let's go back to the video. Enjoy, people, the power. Enjoy, enjoy. All right, people, welcome to Power Trick or Trade. Confirmation is key. That's right, people. So make sure you're a follower here on Power Trick or Trade. And at the same time, if you want to become a member inside of PowerGroupTrades, okay? So what I was showing you was what I posted in PowerGroup. I'm the big picture expert. You can see, you can read that over here, big picture directional, okay? Anyways, listen up, people. You want to read this pin tweet video, and you want to go to my YouTube channel. Let's go together quickly. Come on. Okay. That's a welcome screen when if you're a new time user. You can find that out. Now, customization now. Let me just go here, customize. All right, so people, you want to study my created playlist. You want to go to my live stream. So if you go to my last live stream, it'll show you how to become a member. It explains how to become a member. Sorry, how to become a member inside of PowerGroupTrades. All right, people. So I suggest you subscribe to this YouTube channel and also go to my website. I got a great Google L video plan. Oh, let me show you. Let's go quickly here, quickly. Let's look together. Oh, this is so nice. Oh yeah, watch this, watch this. Boom, witness the power. Okay, beautiful. So listen up, people. So see this. This video is another great. This was a 600% gainer. Okay, we kind of did that in two separate trades, but not even as. But this was epic because of the price of the options. They were $500 options. They went to 4,400 at the top of their game. These are the kind of, this is what I demonstrate over and over again. Like I showed people the power of my plans. When you catch the winners, they pay you and then some. All right, so let's go back to the so go to that, and also you can subscribe. So you basically go to subscribe to my I get some messages. I'm going to be giving some messages to subscribe. Okay. All right, people. All right now. So make sure you're a follower. You want to subscribe to my website. You want to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You want to get inside a Power Group Trade. You want to get into everything on my metrics. Okay, so then you know everything that I'm doing. Okay. And if you don't have a YouTube account, get one. Come subscribe menu. If you have one already, I'm going to show you an easy way to subscribe. I'm going to talk to you right now, one-on-one, show you how to subscribe to this channel automatically right in this video. Let's see what I say. All right, people. Now that we just finished watching that great detailed video, don't forget to look at my banner. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you check out my creative playlist. Make sure you study before taking action on PowerGroupTrades. Every plan that I make has great detailed instructions, and I put my heart and soul in it because I want my subscribers and followers to make great money in the markets. But you have to study, people. Let me show you a way to subscribe. Let's see a picture of me around here in a circle format. Simply click on it, and it's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. Don't forget, people, at the end of the video to like the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like